Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about keeping your Instagram profile private in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to hide your followers and following lists on Instagram. This is a game changer for anyone wanting to protect their personal info from prying eyes. Whether you're a celebrity, an influencer, or just someone who values privacy, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Instagram updates frequently, especially in 2025, so updates might include new privacy features. Open the app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu and select Settings. Scroll down to the Privacy section. That's where the magic happens. Look for an option called Account Privacy or something similar. In 2025, Instagram has made this even easier with a dedicated Hide Followers toggle. Once you're in Privacy settings, find and tap on Followers and Following. Here, you'll see a new feature allowing you to hide your lists. Simply toggle the switch for Hide Followers List and Hide Following List. Confirm any prompts that pop up, and boom, your lists are now private. But wait, there's more. Remember, this won't make your followers invisible to everyone, but it prevents strangers from easily viewing your full list. If you're on a business account, some features might differ, so double check. Also, keep in mind that mutual friends might still see connections through other means. And that's it, you've just leveled up your Instagram privacy game. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or other social media tricks you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.